Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you? Welcome to grade 7. We are going to start the very first topic of grade 7, that is exercise number 3A, book page number 104, and the topic is expansion of quadratic expression. Before moving to the exercise, let me explain you that what are the algebraic expressions and then how to solve them. Move to the algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is an expression that consists of algebraic terms, operation symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, division, or even the brackets. But the most important point is that an algebraic expression has no equal sign. Algebraic expression has no equal sign. And if it is written like this, 5x plus 3, 5x plus 3. These are the two terms. This is the one term. This is the second term. But here we can see that the number which is coming along with the x, y, z or any alphabetical letter, that number is called the coefficient. That number is called coefficient. We will say the number which is coming along with the x, y, z, that number is called coefficient. And this x, y, z, these are called the variables. These are called the variable. The number which is coming alone, that number is called constant. That number is called constant. Exercise number 3A, the first question is expand and simplify each of the following expressions. So how to expand or simplify? Expand or simplify the expressions. Let's start from here. As we can see that there is no equal sign, so this is expression. Now, how we can simplify this given algebraic quadratic expression? We can see that this is a x square. This term is also x square, but they have the different coefficients. There are two different terms with the same variable. So we are going to collect the like terms. I can write it as 6x square plus 9x square, and then I can write the constant plus 19 minus 8. Whenever you are adding the coefficients, adding the constants, we will add their coefficient. 9 plus 16 is 15. 9 plus 6 is 15x square. And if I'm going to subtract 8 from 8 from 19, so my number is going to be 11. So it will be plus 11. And that's it. Let's do one more example. If I'm going to solve one more example from the same question, so I can see that my question is B part of the question. The same exercise, the B part of the question is x square plus 2x minus 7 minus into minus 11x square minus 5x and minus 1. So many minus. Okay, no problem. We are going to solve it. How to solve this question? First of all, if you can see any bracket in the question, so first of all, you need to remove that bracket. Clear? I'm going to simplify this one. It will be x square plus 2x minus 7. Did you remember your previous grade 6 that you have done in your grade 6, the multiplication rules, that when we are going to multiply plus and plus, the answer will be plus. Minus and minus, answer will be plus. Plus and minus, answer will be minus. Minus and plus, the answer is minus. These are the multiplication rules. Means if you have the same sign in plus plus or minus minus, answer will be positive. And if you have different signs, plus minus or minus plus, the answer will be negative. Same we are going to apply here. Minus and minus, when you are going to multiply, so minus minus become plus. It will be 11x square minus 5x and minus 1. Now there is no bracket. As there is no bracket, so collect the like terms. I'm going to collect the like terms. X square, then this x square plus 11x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 7 minus 1. I rearrange my quadratic algebraic expression along with the like terms. Like first of all, I arranged all the square values, then with the variable, then the constant terms. Now, the next step is how to simplify them. So my dear students, look at this. Here, the coefficient of the x square is 1. Remember that when there is no coefficient, the coefficient is 1. These two are the like terms. You can add them. Then there are the next like terms. These two are the like terms. You can simplify them. And then the last one are, these two are the like terms. You can simplify them. I'm going to add them. 11 plus 1 is 12x squared. Plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3x. And minus 7 and minus 1 is going to be minus 8. And that's the answer of it. Okay. Is it clear to you that how I get minus 3 from plus 2 and minus 5? That was the rule that you have done in your grade 6, that when we have the two numbers, minus one is having the negative sign, one is having the positive sign, just do the simple subtraction, like smaller value from the bigger value. 5 minus 2 is 3, and write the sign of the bigger value. So that would be minus 3. And when you have the same terms and with the same sign, just plus the numbers 7 plus 1, 8, and write the same sign. This is minus 8. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.